Children, so we have already learnt about the alphabet keys and the number keys. Today we will learn about the special keys. So a part of the alphabet keys and the number keys, we have some special keys also on the keyboard. Let's read out. So special keys. These keys have different symbols on them like these below mentioned symbols. You have a plus symbol, you have a minus symbol, you have an asterisk, alright, forward slash, backslash, and the other punctuation marks that you use. Then you have the @ sign, the hash sign, the dollar sign, percentage sign, exponent, and you have the brackets, underscore, equals to, curly brackets. Alright, so you have these different symbols on these keys, and the keys which have these symbols are known as the special keys. Now let's see, where do we see these keys on a keyboard? Now let's come back to this picture here. So do you see the number keys, and above the number keys you have some symbols? So they are also known as the special keys. Alright, then you have, see, the keys out here. You have some keys here with the minus sign, the plus sign, right? And you have the brackets. Then you have some punctuation marks here. So these are all known as special keys. Okay, so all these keys which have some symbols on them, they are called the special keys. Now let's come back to page number 35 and read about the special keys. So there are some more keys on the keyboard known as special keys. Okay, following are the special keys. So let's read about the special keys. A part of these symbols, there are some other keys also which are special and have a specific function to do. Now the first special key here is a space bar key. Now there is a key known as space bar. Let's read about the space bar. The space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give spaces between the text. So what do we know about this space bar? That it is the longest key on the keyboard, and we use this key to give space between two words. Now let's come back and find out this key on the keyboard. Now we have this keyboard here. Where do you see the longest key? Can you see this key at the bottom? The longest key on the keyboard. So this longest key is known as the space bar. And what is the function of the space bar? The function is that when we want to give a space between two words, two numbers, we use a space bar to give that space. Can you see here in the book also, after every word there is a space? After every word there is a space, and if you want to give a similar space when we are typing on the keyboard, we use a space bar to do that. Alright, this is an activity which can be done if you have a computer at home. So let us type a sentence. My name is Kabir. But do you think it's a sentence? In English, do you write it like this without giving any spaces? No. You give space when you write in your notebook also. Similarly, when we want to type the same sentence on the keyboard, on the computer, we will use a space bar, and then the sentence will look like this. My space name space is space Kabir. Alright, so this is how we use a space bar. So this is the function of a space bar. So children, let's go to the next page, page number 36, and learn about the next special key. So the next special key that we have is the caps lock key. Okay, now let's learn about what is the use and function of a caps lock key. The caps lock key is used to type letters in capital. So when you type on a keyboard, all the letters are typed in the smaller case, the lower case, right? And we cannot do like this. We need to write in capital letters also. You also know when you start a sentence, the first letter is always in capital, and the nouns, the names, they are also in capital. The first letter is in capital. So we will need to write in capital letters. So when we want to write in capital letters using a keyboard, we do not have two alphabet keys there for the same letter, like a capital A or a small a. We just have one key. So we have to use that one key to write in uppercase also and lowercase also, right? So if we type without using caps lock, everything will be typed in lowercase. But if we switch on the caps lock key, then everything is written in capital. Let's read the next line also. Press the caps lock key once, the caps lock light will turn on. So it's just like a switch. We have to turn on the caps lock light to use the caps lock and to write in the capital letter. Now let's go back and find out where do we see this key on the keyboard. So let's come back to page number 34 and look into our keyboard. Where do we see a caps lock key? So I can see a caps lock key here. See, we have a caps lock key here, right? So this is the caps lock key. If you want to write in capital letters, you have to press this key once, and if you see on this side of the keyboard, see this side, you have some buttons here. These are lights. Okay, so when you switch on the caps lock key, the light here, this light which says caps lock, it turns on. And when the light is on, anything that you will write on the keyboard, any alphabet that you will write, will be typed in capital letter. And when this light is off, anything that you type using these alphabet keys, it will be in lowercase. So we can press this key once and the light will be on. Once the light is on, you write in capital letters. Then you press this key again, the light is off, then you can write in lowercase. So that is the function of a caps lock key. Alright children, let's read the activity. To do the activity, we will read from here. Press the caps lock key once, the caps lock light will turn on. So now we have pressed the caps lock key once and the light is switched on. And when I type now, if you have a computer at home, you can try it. Now after switching on the caps lock key, when I type, I will type like this: I like my school. So what is the difference? Everything that is written here, all the letters written here are in capital. They all are in uppercase. But when I press the caps lock key again, the caps lock light will turn off. When the light is off, type the sentence again. You have to type this sentence again and see the difference. So when you switch on the light and type, and when you switch off the light and then type, there will be a difference in the sentence and you have to see the difference. What is the difference? So what will be the difference? This is in uppercase, this is in capital letters, but when you switch it off and write, it will be written in lowercase. Okay, so you will not have any capital letter in that sentence. So I want all of you to try it out if you are able to, and then see the difference yourself. So children, let's do a quick recap of what we learned today. We learned about the special keys, right? We learned about the special keys. So which are the special keys? The keys which have some symbols on it, right? The keys which have some symbols on it, or there are other keys which have specific function, right? So we learned about two special keys today. The first one is the space bar, the space bar key. So, what is the characteristic or a feature of a space bar key? That it is the longest key on the keyboard. So, space bar is the longest key of the keyboard, right? And what is the function of the space bar? The function is that it is used to give space between two words. So, why do we use a space bar key? It is used to give space between two words. So, that is the function of the space bar key. Right. All right, children. So, what is the second key that we learnt about today? That is the caps lock key. And what did we learnt about this? Why do we need this key? To write capital letters. So, we use this key to write capital letters. And how do you use this key? Press the key once to switch on the light. So, the moment you press the caps lock key, the light towards the right hand side of the keyboard is switched on. So, when the light is on, you will be able to write in capital letters. If you press the key again, the light will be switched off and then you cannot write in capital. Everything that you write will be written in the lower case. So, that is the function of the caps lock key.